Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a trick that you can do on your Gallardo that is going to completely transform how your car drives. And what I'm talking about is an E-gear soft reset. And the best part about this is it doesn't need any special tools. So we're going to hop in the car and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to perform this procedure. And then I'm going to give you a reaction on how I felt about it after I did this to my Superleggera. So let's hop in the car and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to completely transform the way your car drives. So all you're going to need to do with the car running is have the car in neutral, and then you're going to pull back on both paddles for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then you're going to see an E-gear fault on the dashboard, and it's going to say RNA1, and then you're going to pull the paddles again, and then you're ready to go. That's all you need to do an E-gear reset. So I'm going to go on the road and I'm going to show you what I think about this. So this is a little bit of a different perspective, but I don't really like resetting the clutch and redoing adaptation because it made the clutch way too smooth. I honestly expected it. I honestly expect this transmission to be like really clunky. So like now that like everything's running like so smooth, I kind of like don't really like it. I kind of want it to go back to like its terrible adaptation state before. So if you're really looking for something that like would make the car like a lot more smooth, try this simple trick. You might like it. I don't really like it, but I think I like it. I think I dislike it for like the right reason, I guess. I don't know. Well, try it on your car and let me know. Let me know what you think about how smooth it is afterwards. It's kind of a funny perspective that I don't really like it at all. Again, I hope this helped you. I honestly didn't really like it that much. I thought that the shifting parameters before were a little bit more fun, but I think that's why I bought the car for. So, you know, mixed results. You might like a car that's a little bit more smooth, and this definitely does it. And I would recommend doing this every 500 to 1,000 miles. It's not like you're damaging anything in the system or anything like that. Performing the soft reset is a normal service procedure. So if you have good results after trying this on your car, I'd like to hear them. So leave a comment, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like it. So I'd appreciate it. Thanks.